Hello guys, welcome back to Amica Review. So in today's video we will try to look if we can fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So they wrote get notified when we are back. So they ask you to fill an email address to be notified. So if you can see, before it was not like this when it was launched early December 15. So everybody could log in into the ChatGPT and work on it. But now it seems there is a lot of users, massive millions of users that are working on this platform. So some people are into testing the website, whereas it has a lot of users right now. So guys, I will try to explain to you and show you if there is a possible way we can fix this problem that is showing, because it was not like this before. So first of all, we want to check the amount of users that are on this platform currently. So I'm trying to log in on my Chrome account. I think for me it is working, because so guys, I have two phones. So I check on the first phone, it shows they are capacity, there is a lot of users working on it. But on my second phone, I can log in into ChatGPT successfully. So like I said, this is my second phone. I can use it, and despite it has a lot of members working on it. So on the first phone, it is a Techno I use, but I'm not able to access ChatGPT. But the second phone is a Samsung phone. So maybe it works on Samsung. Also, when I check it on laptop, it is also showing ChatGPT is at capacity right now. So I will try to check how many users that are currently using this platform, or we will check the amount of users that used this platform last month. So according to SimilarWeb, there was over 266 million users that visit this website. So it received over 200 million users monthly. I think next month it is going to be probably more than 200 million. As you can see, during the October period, it received 0 users. During the November period, it has only 152,000 users. But during December, when it was launched, the traffic increased drastically. As you can see, it received over 200 million December period. So maybe this month it is going to be higher than that. So that is why the website, it is currently having issues. So there's a lot of users that are using this platform from USA. It received over 90% of users from USA. India is 5%, UK is 3%, France 3%, Germany 3%, and others 65%. So do not worry, because if you were first users that started using this platform December, and you created an account December, it will allow you to work for some time. But sometimes it also show that it has hit capacity, that there is a lot of users currently using the platform. So the possible way that you can fix this error now, maybe you will need to wait. As they said, you need to fill a form, put your email address, and wait when they will upgrade to higher hosting, because I think their server cannot contain the amount of users that are working on this platform currently. So it is better you wait. So you need to wait. So ChatGPT is at capacity. So maybe these are tips that they gave. If you are experiencing issue with ChatGPT, there are few things you can try to fix it. Check your internet connection to ensure that you have a stable connection to the server. Increase the amount of memory and or CPU allocated to the ChatGPT instance. This can be done through the setting of the platform or tool you are using to run ChatGPT. Reduce the number of concurrent requests being made to the ChatGPT API. This can be done by implementing a queue system or limiting the number of users who can access the API at the same time. Try using a different version of flavor of the GPT-3 model, that they may be less resources intensive. If the issue persists, please try to contact the OpenAI support team for further assistance. So these are some tips they gave you. You might use to try a phone that is over 8 gig RAM. If your phone is not working, if it is showing ChatGPT is at capacity right now. Also, the best thing you can do is just to wait, fill an email address, wait when they will notify you when they have fully upgraded to a higher hosting that can contain a lot the 200 million users, because 200 million users in just last month, it is very heavy. It might be probably higher this month. So the only thing you can do now is to wait. You need to wait and don't be in a hurry. Don't forget to subscribe to Amica Review. Also hit the like button, share this video to your friends. Also, I think this ChatGPT has a lot of ways you can make money with it. For example, you can use it to write as a copywriter or as a blogger. It can write you unique articles. Also, it can help you write a good summary to your product that you are selling. It is very good in paraphrasing article, also to rewrite unique article for you. So the website is very good. So they gave you just 5 ways to make money on ChatGPT. The website is very good. So if you are still experiencing the capacity, do not be worried. So guys, if you are still seeing this, you need to wait until they upgrade to higher version. You need to wait, because the only thing you can do now is to wait. Fill your email address and wait for them to notify you, because it is not working on this phone already. This Tecno phone is 6 gig RAM. So I think it is not because of the phone, it is the website that has issue. So you need to wait. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.